It's quite often that gentlemen come in and have absolutely no idea what to buy. And that's okay. That's okay. And that's why it's so very important to first find a place that is reputable, that you trust or can grow to trust, that can answer those questions for you, because it can be a daunting task to come in and buy a piece of jewelry that a woman's going to wear for the rest of her life. It's always more expensive not to listen. She's going to give you hints. She's going to tell you. She's going to talk to her friends. She's going to give you all these hints. So try to pay attention as best you can if you intend on kind of surprising her. Understand this is a gift that you're giving to her that's to represent your love. And so to involve her, much like you're going to involve her in your marriage, is important. And I think it's smart. And do it early on. Go ahead and go out shopping with her and just pick up on those notes and those hints. Well, here at Goodman & Sons, we make it very easy for you to come in and pick an engagement ring and walk out of the store with that engagement ring that day. We have a lot of preset things, and even if you want to pick your diamond and pick your mounting, usually if it's in stock and it's, within her size range, within a couple of days, we can have that set for you. But I say a good rule of thumb is if you give yourself 30 days from the time you want to propose is a safe bet to say, hey, let me come and get my thoughts together, figure out what I need to do, and go for it from there. I know people get caught in the budgets and how much should I spend? I ask this question: how long do you intend to be married? And oftentimes I'm met with forever, which is the correct answer. I tell them that is how long you have to get the perfect ring. In other words, that first ring doesn't have to be huge, but it has to be special and it has to be meaningful. She has to know that you spent time and effort getting that ring. She doesn't necessarily want the biggest diamond. That's what I'm finding. Coming in to buy an engagement ring with a wedding band in mind is actually a smart idea. Oftentimes what I find is women will pick an engagement ring that is absolutely gorgeous and they love, but now it's time to get the wedding band and they didn't consider it and there isn't one that matches, and so we have to go into customization, which is okay, but they may have possibly gone a different route had they known that. So oftentimes many of our rings, I will show them with a matching band because I want her to see the end result. This is what you will ultimately be wearing for the rest of your life. A lot of women at some point, depending on their career, may only be wearing the wedding band for a while versus both pieces. So it's important to think about that as well as engagement ring. Here at Goodman & Sons, we have some great salespeople that are willing to work with you through the entire process. One thing I love about being a family-owned business is that we can kind of slow down and we don't have the push to be pushy. We don't need to be. We have quality products, we have quality people, we have expertise, and we're going to hold your hand through the whole process, making sure that you make the best decision possible.